Twitter Spaces is going to launch publicly next month, and it may include Spaces-only tweets. This is the answer to Clubhouse. This is the rival to Clubhouse. Twitter was obviously became very interested in figuring out what Clubhouse was up to over there. And the interesting part for me about all of it was that Clubhouse, whenever anything was going on Clubhouse, people were talking about what was going on Clubhouse on Twitter. Like, at least in my feed.
Right.
People be on Twitter saying, yo, check out this Clubhouse, or I'm going to be on Clubhouse later. And so then you realize, opportunity for Twitter. Because everybody's got a Twitter profile. All these prominent people who were sitting there in Clubhouse having a time, there's not a single one who doesn't have a Twitter profile.
And it works on Android.
And it works on Android, which Clubhouse hasn't figured out yet.
Yeah.
Twitter Spaces, the social network's Clubhouse rival, is working towards a public launch in April. That's not far off. Company announced in comments made on Twitter, actually a Twitter Space audio room on Wednesday. What a place to announce such a thing. Very soon, the Twitter employee noted, that's where we're headed. Now, we talked recently about that focus on Android. There are still limitations. If you do have access to Spaces on Android, you cannot host a room, or at least the last time we talked about it. What we're talking about here is a full-out rollout, full-on, full-out rollout.
Nicely said.
For both iOS and Android. And I think it's going to be big. I think it's going to do well. And it's going to be a problem for Clubhouse. I mean, I don't know which other way to say it, because like I said to you previously, it's going to feel a bit strange to push people from your Twitter to another platform when you can do the exact same function on the native app. So now Clubhouse is going to have to work like a lot of other social media apps to add features that aren't available on the pre-existing powerhouses, so that people say, well, I'm willing to go over there because it's better for whatever reason. And at the same time, Twitter's going to be working to do the same thing for their own Spaces. I don't have access to the thing yet. I would love to give it a shot. I think it would be cool to hang out. I guess I could join in, but as far as hosting a space,
yeah,
I'll be looking for that feature to roll out more widely. And then I might jump in. I mean, I don't know.
Okay.
You might even jump in there.
Yeah, sure, I'll jump.
You might even find yourself in a space.
Yeah.
It's possible.